Okay, so here's our goal, to take the spreadsheet we've already made and be able to use it for other experiments. So I'm going to highlight, here's all my data, right? So that's your data. So I'm actually going to make this into a data table. I'm going to put a little box around it, and let's make it a thicker box. Okay, and I guess I got red here already. We'll make it blue just for the heck of it. Okay, so there's my data, and let's, again, I think some of you put a underline on this row because that kind of helps, right, to just show it here. Okay, so now I'm all set for my data for next time, and then up here I want to add, this was the candle. Okay, so let's go down here to sheet 1, double click on that, and we're going to call that candle. This sheet is all ready to go. We've got everything. You've got your formulas written here. You've got units everywhere. So all these numbers down here are formulas. You'll notice my formula here. So now I'm going to go down, I'm going to duplicate this. So I got another one here, and the next one I'm going to say is going to be our chip. Okay. And now what I want to do, I want to go up here and I want to say this is chip. And now I want to get rid of all this data, because this is old stuff. We're going to come up with new data here. Notice the equations are all still here. This one gives us an error because we're dividing by grams, which it calculates as 0. So there's my chip. Now that I've got that set, I want to duplicate this one. I've deleted everything. I'm going to duplicate that one. And now this last one's going to be peanut. And now again, I want to go back up here and call this peanut. And now you got to go back and change everything. Look carefully wherever you see candle. We got to change that. Candle wax that burned. So this is going to be peanut that burned. Energy absorbed by water. Energy density of candle wax. No, not candle wax, of peanut. Okay. And now I'm going to go over to chip. I got that one ready. I'm going to go over to chip. And I'm going to say chip that burned. Okay. And again, down here, we're going to go to energy density. You may have written this slightly differently, but check anywhere you see candle wax, you want to put in chip. Okay. And that should do it. Now you've got all of them ready. I can go to candle. I can see here's the information I had. I can go to chip. I can see that. And I can go to peanut. And I can see that. And I've got my header up here. So that's all you need to do for this activity today. So tomorrow we can do the actual data collection.